How to unlike story on Instagram. If you have liked someone's Instagram story and want to unlike it, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, let's simply go to the story first of all. You can go to the story you have liked by tapping on the profile picture at the top of your feed, or you can simply see all the story sections available on your screen. Let's tap on any. Once the story is open, simply tap on the heart icon at the bottom, and this means that you have liked the story. The red icon means you have liked the story. Now, in order to unlike it, go to the same story again. If you have liked the story, it will be red. So tap the heart icon again to unlike it. The heart will turn gray, indicating that you have unliked the story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.